Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an Estee Lauder haul, all the holiday gift sets. These look amazing, so if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I am super excited about this video today. I'm a huge lover of Estee Lauder. My favorite foundation is their Double Wear, and these gift sets are just so beautiful. I thought I had to go ahead and grab these. Let's go through them. I'll share what's inside each one, and you can tell me which one you might be interested in picking up. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. If it is, don't forget to like, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe so I can keep bringing you videos just like this one. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with this little beauty. These are the full size of the Sheer Wonder limited edition lip oil. $40. I picked all my items up from Nordstrom except for this one that I picked up at Ulta. But this one was $40. You get the Sheer Wonders limited edition lip oil trio. And I thought it was cute. They put a little bow there if you want to gift this to someone. And if you want to keep it for yourself, it's already got a pretty bow. Limited edition lip oils just for the holidays. So if you're interested, pick them up now. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these. So this one is called Cheer, and the packaging is beautiful. All Estee Lauder products are always just so pretty. Nice little doe foot applicator. Let's go ahead and see what these look like. Ooh, that is pretty. That definitely is a beautiful lip oil. That is stunning, you guys. This one is called Cheer. Next we have Holiday Muse. This looks like a beautiful sort of mauve shade. And there we have it. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that is beautiful. That is really pretty. And next we have Celebrate. This looks like a beautiful pinky shade. Let's try that one. Wow, those are beautiful. All right, so $40 for this limited edition set. I think it is beautiful. 3 full-size lip oils for $40. I think this would be a beautiful gift for anyone on your holiday list that loves any sort of makeup. So that's our first gift set. All right, so another $40 gift that has a value of $125. Unwrap the Moment limited edition lip gloss set. There are 5 full-size lip glosses, and these look beautiful. The color story is so wearable. Here are your 5 lip glosses. Again, the limited edition. Let's go ahead and swatch these. Dazzle Me, which I think is so cute. And let's see. All right, these are much thinner doe foot applicators. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty. Very pretty. That is Dazzle Me. Next we have Make Me Smile, and this looks beautiful. Kind of another sort of mauvey pink. Ooh, that is stunning, you guys. That is gorgeous. I love that one. So again, these are limited editions, so if there's any that you like, you're gonna wanna get them in the set because you're getting so much here. So this one is called Unwrapped, which is perfect for the holidays. Ooh, that's a very pretty peach shade. Really nice. I like that one too. Pretty. Like I said, I love a gift set that is wearable. You know, none of these crazy colors that you're like, yeah, I really couldn't see myself wearing those. It's perfect present. This looks like a nice sort of nudie gloss. Very pretty. Looks like chocolate. And ooh, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm pretty sure I love all of these so far. No duds here. So bow tie, which is really, really cute. This looks like a nice deep sort of cranberry. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Let's put it up here. That is pretty. That's a really nice sort of cranberry. And like I said, all of these look so wearable. Beautiful. Is a steal. The quality of Estee Lauder is next level. I don't think anyone would be disappointed with this under their tree. Undercover Radiance Glow Set. This is $52. 3 full-size items in here for this glow set. I don't know about you, but I love to glow, especially during the holidays, but really all year long. Is Futurist Aqua Brilliance. This is the Watery Glow Primer, and it is a good size primer. It's 1.35 fluid ounces, so you're getting quite a bit for your money with this set. Again, $52. This video is not sponsored. These are just items I love. My mom's a huge Estee Lauder fan, and I plan on getting a few of these items for my mom, my sister, my sister-in-law, and I'm going to keep these myself, and that looks stunning. So that's our first item that goes with this set. Next, we have the Pure Color. This is in the shade Melted Melon. It's one of those you kind of click and it moves on up. Let's see what that Melted Melon looks like. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's a pretty shade, you guys. I love that. That's gonna make your lips glow. The third full-size item in this set is this Bronze Goddess. This is in the shade Heat Wave, and it really is just the most beautiful. This is just the most gorgeous highlighter. So let's go ahead and swatch this one and see if these 3 items are worth $52. And I'm thinking they are. That's beautiful. So that is definitely the most beautiful 3-piece glow set. You're getting 3 full-size items for $52. I feel like that is a really nice gift set. So if anyone you love loves to glow and loves Estee Lauder, this may be a really good set for them. I've been waiting for all day long. I wanted to open this when it came in the mail today, and I wouldn't do it because I wanted to open it with you guys. So that's what we're gonna do and see if this set is worth $90. And ooh, gosh, guys, that is so pretty. I mean, what an enormous case that we're getting here. And oh, it's really pretty with the Estee Lauder there. It comes with the protective plastic and looks beautiful. It's a double zip, so it's a zip here, but there's also a zip here. So we'll start with this side here. All right, let's see. Wow, that, oops, we have that looks beautiful, you guys. The presentation is A+. So let's see what we get in here. We get an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream. This is beautiful. Look at the packaging. I know, I'm a sucker for packaging. The Night Repair Eye Cream is right here. Looks like you get a pretty good amount. It looks amazing. I'm excited to try this eye cream out. Estee Lauder is known for such amazing products. It's been around for so many years, and there's a reason for that. It's amazing. So next we have the Advanced Night Cleanse, and this has 15 amino acids. So I'm here for that. Yes, please. So you use this in the morning and at night, massage gently over damp skin. So just a really nice cleanser. And I'm curious. It smells really good. So I'm excited about that one. Estee Lauder has some really good skincare items. So I love that they've included skincare as well as makeup in this set. This is such a pretty package. So we have the Advanced Night Repair, and This looks like some, yeah, this is like a serum. So that's going to be really, really nice. Love a good serum. Smoothing hand cream here. This looks like a good size for your purse. This is 1 fluid ounce. And let's just see. Ooh, it's nice and thick and definitely balmy. It has an amazing scent to it. I love it. I love it so much. So really, really good. Supreme, this is the Youth Power Cream. They're not skimping on the sizes, which is absolutely amazing in my opinion. All right, so we do have the Dazzle Me. This is the lip gloss, and this was in the set I showed you. This is kind of more a clear with a little bit of sparkle in it. It's a really pretty shade. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, next we have a full-size lipstick. This is in the shade Sneak Peek, and that looks beautiful. Super wearable shade here. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that is creamy and absolutely stunning. I love this shade. I am definitely here for it. Happy with that one for sure. Let's see what else they gave us. This is in the shade Red Robin. That's cute. So here is, ooh, that's a pretty shade. This is a nice sort of, ooh, that's a beautiful red. I really like that. Gorgeous. All right, so I love both of these shades. This one's definitely an everyday, and this is definitely like some holiday glam, and it's so pretty. So excited for that one. But hold on, there's more. Let me zip this back up. I love how clever this is packaged. Super practical and beautiful. All right, so now we're gonna do this side. Okay, so this side is great for travel, and there's more items in here. So I'm excited to see what else we get. Ooh, okay, pretty packaging. This is rose gold stick. Let's see what that. Ooh, that's very pretty. Very creamy, so you're not gonna be pulling on your cheeks. That's very, very nice. A very everyday sort of blush. That's a beautiful blush stick. I've never tried one of their blush sticks by Estee Lauder, but I'm really excited to try this one. That looks absolutely beautiful. All right, so we have some information here. And then this is our final item. Oh, wait, no, final 2 items. So here is the Simultuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volumizing Mascara. So you get a full-size mascara. I thought we were at the end. We have one more item. That looks like a really nice brush. That's really going to get in there and really get those lashes. So I'm excited for this. Estee Lauder always has good mascaras. So I'm excited they gave us that as well. And then drum roll, please. Here we have the eyeshadow palette. Whoop. And this is really, really pretty. I saw it online. I was like, yes, yes, please. So there are the shades. These to me are the most beautiful wearable shades. There is another set that comes with more cool tones, sorts of, I want to say more pinky shades, pinks and cool tone grays. And this to me was more a neutral everyday set, and I love this. This is absolutely stunning. So I'm super glad I picked up the set. Everything I got in here is absolutely beautiful and absolutely worth $90. I must say I'm actually kind of surprised that is super, super affordable for all the items you get. I mean, you get lots of skincare items in here, all of which are absolutely amazing, bestsellers. Many of them are full size. In fact, most of them are full size. And then you have a few deluxe travel sizes. Again, good sizes. And then, as I said, you're also going to get your gorgeous palette, which I am super excited about. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like. I'd love it if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Hopefully this was helpful in determining if you feel like this is something you would want to pick up for yourself or someone you love, and sets. Hopefully that will be helpful in determining some gifts that you may want to give to some loved ones this holiday season. Hope video. Until next time. Bye guys.